Welcome to Learning Code with Python. I am Nadia Borshek. I will be your instructor for this series. These videos intended students ages 10 to 14, about grade 4 to 10. At the end of a group of episodes, I will provide you with programming challenges to practice what you've learned. In this challenge, I will lead you to create your first program step by step to build a complete sentence. This challenge will be a practical application on what we've learned in episode 2 about variables, concatenating strings, create and run a program. You will find the link of the previous part in the description field below for more details. Build a complete sentence program is a challenge that enhances your programming skills in using the variables. The program must do the following. Capture an adjective, a noun, a verb, a preposition, and favorite animal name. Put the words together to form a complete sentence. Print the formed sentence. Let the system returns the length of the sentence and print the length of the sentence. Let's start our coding journey. Let us open Python editor. Go to File, New. A blank screen will pop up with Untitled at the top. Now, before starting writing any code, we must specify what the code shall do. For instance, our challenge program must capture an adjective. To achieve this, we must use a suitable command, which is in our case the input function. Notice the command syntax of input function, which is var name equal input open bracket prompt close bracket. The input function allows user input. The prompt parameter is the message that will appear to the user before the input. And the variable name equals will assign the user input value to the variable name. As a result, our first line of code will be var underscore add equal input open parentheses quotation please enter an adjective colon space close the quotation and close the parentheses. Now repeat the input function to capture a noun, a verb, a preposition, and favorite animal name. Now, to put the words together to form a complete sentence, we must define a var underscore state. Then we will use plus sign to concatenate between strings and the other variables that we defined in the previous slides. The statement will be var underscore stat equals the between the quotations plus var underscore edge plus space in between quotations var underscore noun space in between quotations plus var underscore verb plus var underscore prep plus the fat brown statement between two quotations plus var underscore animal plus dot between two quotations. As a result, our code will be as shown in this slide. Now, to tell the system to print the formed sentence, we must use the print function. The print function prints the specified message to the screen. The prompt parameter is the message that we want to print to the screen. As a result, our code will be as shown in this slide. In this slide, I will tell the system to return the length of the formed sentence and print it. To do so, I will use the len function. Len is used to get the length of a given string. We will pass the string that we want the system to calculate its length. The return value is an integer value. As a result, our code will be as shown in this slide. Finally, our code is ready. Go to File, Save As, then give it a name such as challenge1.py. To execute the code, go to Run, then press Run Module. The system will execute the commands one by one and ask for your inputs of adjective, noun, verb, preposition, and animal. Then form a sentence. After that, print the formed sentence and retrieve the sentence length and print it. Here I am mapping the code of Challenge 1 program and its output. Type your comments, concerns, and questions in the comments below to be able to provide you with answers. You can write your code and run it using online Python compiler. The system will execute the commands one by one and ask for your inputs of adjective, noun, verb, preposition, and animal. Then form a sentence. After that, print the formed sentence and retrieve the sentence length and print it. Remember, code is fun and coding is a valuable job skill. See you next time. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.